For the QL600 wall mount setup, you will need to purchase these wall brackets, the L brackets, and all you need to do is to connect the ceiling brackets to the L brackets. Okay, you don't want it to be too tight. You can tighten it after once everything is mounted. Now, put it flush against the edge. Make sure the clip is on the back side. Lift up your track and turn it 90 degrees. You do need to use a bit of force. And now you can tighten with some pliers if you need to. And that is completed.